guys, I would really the world for Christmas. Christmas is the birth of Jesus Christ. December is very true. Pero walang Christmas nakalagay sa Bible kasi ang Christmas is time of birth, month of sibling in this planet Earth. So, but going to problem Christmas parties for people is dark world kasi andyan lahat ng morality, drinking, alcoholic, but over toxic planet Earth to for as United States for Thanksgiving is November for celebrating, but all over the world for our religion and the Pacific very Catholic is Christmas image for divine birth Jesus, pero wala naman talagang Christmas sa Bible. Kaya ang Christmas is not a God, is a celebration for birth man of few sibling of an image of Jesus Christ, but it's not a God, is a evil the world. But version is mercy, music, always soul, but understand to respect that this is rejected in the Bible about the commandments. So, I am Catholic, as agreed to people agreed before. Pero, hindi na ako naniniwala sa Christmas at hindi nakikita yung mga vlog for personal. I'm always home. Hindi na ako pumupunta ng mall, pumupunta ng mga party. Hindi na ako nakikipag-join because focus ako sa aking worshiper. Music for this is practices for souls. Because what's revelation to the world, Argent to World War III, coming to the end time disaster, whatever prepared to adult people lose soul important, but the people is busy to material, money, never stop trouble, kung ano-anong ginagawa sa buhay, but it is very dangerous. I'm not ready for died and always busy, but always spoke and you stole it from others peoples. Pag andyan ka na sa stage of death, tatawag ka na sa Jesus Christ, it is very traumatic and best stop. Okay? Ako kumakanta ko ng mga Christmas. It's a music because it's version for born. Pero kung susundin talaga natin ng patas talaga, is not a pound. So the all our ministry and religion to people, the Christmas is celebrating the world for born. Okay, follow to my channel. This is video, click and subscribe. Thank you.
Dapat gawing simple lamang ang mga Christmas party ng iba't ibang ahensya ng gobyerno. Yan ang sinabi ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos kasabay ng panawagan na tumulong ang iba't ibang ahensya ng gobyerno sa mga nasalanta ng sunod-sunod na bagyo. Ayon kay Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin, hinihimok na Malacanang ang mga ahensya na ibigay sa mga tinamaan ng kalamidad ang anumang matitipid. Bilang pagtalima dito, naglabas ng memorandum ang Department of Education kaugnay ng simpleng pagdiriwang ng Pasko sa lahat ng kanilang opisina at pampublikong paaralan. Kaugnay nito, nagpaalala ang Civil Service Commission na bawal magdaos ng Christmas party sa loob ng mga tanggapan ng gobyerno.
We do not allow, kasi marami hong nangyayari dyan na nagiging bar na yung ating opisina kasi nagiinuman, nagsisigarilyo. It does not mean na pag 5 o'clock or 5:01, you can do whatever you want. Kung may balak ko kayo mag-Christmas party kayo, then do it somewhere else na gusto nyo mag-inuman.
Ang tinig ni Civil Service Commission o CSC Commissioner Eileen Lizada.